Okay, so this is my seventh video on how to make money taking surveys, and it has to do with erewards.com, which I didn't realize, even though maybe I should have, but this one is by invitation only. I already had talked about it, and I feel it's a pretty decent site to be able to take surveys on, but it's only by invitation. I was just reading that. I had a feeling, so I thought, let me double check. But if by some chance, and here's the thing, when you start taking surveys, there's always that chance that you will get invitations from those survey sites. And it's like if your name gets around to other ones that will send you invitations to something like the rewards, because I obviously had to have gotten an invitation. And so it didn't just happen just like magic, and I wasn't able to go someplace and be able to apply, or sign up to join this reward site, this erewards.com. So I'm basically here on my home page anyway. I feel like if by some chance you do get introduced, and obviously if you join some of the ones like the Global Test Market, the Toluna, you will most likely at some point get introduced and will be sent invitations to some of these other sites, these survey sites, and this definitely would be one of them. And it's, I feel, a pretty decent one, like I said. And if you look at my homepage, as I've already logged in, it has Welcome David, which is that's who I am, and as my account balance, and this is in their currency. This is not really $239.88 in actual real money. It's in their currency of the site, and as it says, eRewards currency. And if you look, they're showing you just below that as restaurant.com is one of their featured offers, and then they have magazines. It's their magazine collection that you can get magazines through your with your rewards currency. And if you see opportunities is there, sort of almost in the middle, a little bit above, it's in big letters. You see below it some of the different, like the e-offer, which is $25 restaurant.com for only $15. That's the restaurant.com gift certificate. And then you have $5 off magazines, as it says an update. Another update is a special offer for Mother's Day. It probably has to do with well, I see. I'll click on it and see what it says. Yes, I thought it would be. It has to do with FTD, which is for flowers and stuff. So now, if I go back, let me see if I okay. And now I'm back to the home page. You can see rewards, and then you can see where it has my account, and I could look at my general, as it says, account statement, my general information about my account, name and information. I can change my password. There's contact information for the eReward site, and then there's different preferences. Not a major thing. Then you go into the rewards. That is, everyone's going to want to know, oh, what rewards can I get, and so forth. And it tells you there's the redemption history of stuff I've ordered before in my rewards, and I'm clicking on the reward center. This is the main reward page, and you can filter by category. The level is depending on how many points, how much money you're talking about, and then or by company. So let's say here I'm looking at category. If it's music and entertainment, clothing, accessories, food and dining, gift cards, and of course gift cards is always a popular one. If you click on gift cards, you can see the different options. And the ones that stand out to me that I find are pretty good are GameStop, iTunes. You also have Macy's. Oh, and then there is Starbucks, which I think is an e-gift card. I think they're all e-gift cards. They might not specify that, but anyway. And if you go by level, see, here's the different levels. So let's say you want to claim a $50, well, I'll say gift card, or it's depending on what it is. Here are a lot of airline miles, and so I guess that's what they must mean by the level. Because I'm trying to. Okay, wait. They must mean by the dollar level on the rewards currency. Yes, I see. That would make sense because $145 would get you a $50 iTunes gift code. And then you have all the different, if you go by company. I'm moving kind of fast, I guess. Hopefully not too fast, but here is the different companies, and so you can go down the line, and it starts with the letter A, and you work your way all scrolling all the way up. I know very quickly through the Warner Music Group, and these are all the different companies that they offer in one way or another. A lot of these are airline miles, British Airways. That's basically what that would be. It would give you airline miles, and so, and then you have help, and let's see, help eRewards 101, which is how to navigate the site and do surveys, get started, frequently asked questions, contact us. So that's pretty straightforward there. So basically, let me see. Okay, and then, of course, after all this is said and done, you go to back to the left side. It says, "Welcome, David, not you." And for whatever reason you want to log out, you would log out. And here is the main login page. If you already were a member, you see member login and so forth. So that basically is an overview of this survey site, which you do have to be invited to, but it could very well happen if you start off with other survey sites, which there are certainly many that you do not have to be invited to that are worthwhile, like I had mentioned, Global Test Market and Toluna as two perfect examples. Also Pinecone Research, which at the end of the last video, it got a little interesting where I was like, oh boy, where do you sign up for it? And apparently you have a way to do it where you ask to be kind of invited or asked to be able to, to sign up. And I guess, once you would send your information to Pinecone Research, they would get in touch with you. And from there on, things take its course. Okay, so this is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and please feel free to leave comments. I appreciate it.